Numberblock fans! In today's video, I will show you how to rebuild the Numberblocks 0 to 100 part 11, or we can call 66 to 70. Let's build the Numberblock 66. Numberblock 66 is made of 60 light indigo blocks and 6 dark indigo blocks, because 66 is made of 60 plus 6. Well, Numberblock 66 is also made of 11 lots of 6 or 6 lots of 11s. And she's also the 11th member of the Step Shape Club. That's why you see Numberblock 66 has a white step shape eye with red with the red mixed together. White and red mixed together, we got 11, right? It's because 10 is white and red is 1, which means white plus red is white and red, which means 10 plus 1 is 11. Well, she's also the 6th member of the football player team, including 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, and 66. But that's not all. You have to see more members of the 11th football club. The 60 blocks are finished. We add 6 dark indigo blocks more to make 66. There. Here is the finish, and let's do a magic again. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Here's the Numberblock 66, which is made of 6 11s or 11 6s, which has the same face with Numberblock 6. Anyways, let's move on to the Numberblock 67. Alright, let's continue to build the Numberblock 67. Numberblock 67 is made of 60 light indigo blocks and 7 rainbow blocks. Because 67 is made of 60 plus 7. Well, 67 is the 19th member of the Prime Club. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Well, Numberblock 67, I said it earlier, which means 67 is the 2nd member of the crazy shape. Well, but 67 I made crazy shapes with rectangle eye, not circle eye anymore. Well, anyways, I made Numberblock 67 by using the Numberblock 60 by laying 5 blocks wide. Oops. Why does it always... Right, 60 blocks are finished. Let's add 7 blocks more to make 67, including... I put the green first because green is on the middle, and like this, yellow, orange, then I put red, then I put blue, indigo, and violet. And this is the number block 67, but not an official number block. Alright, I lay down the camera because if I put like that, it doesn't move. It moves all the time. But anyways, let's do a magic. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Number block 67 is finished. By using the 7 blocks on top and laying 5 blocks 5. Anyways, number block 67 is finished. Let's continue to number block 68. Alright, let's continue to build the number block 68. Number block 68 is made of 60 light indigo blocks and 8 pink blocks. Well, number block 68 also made of 4 17s or 2 34s, which means he's a painter. I laid the number block 68 by using 4 blocks wide. Oh, that's too tall. So, which means I have to lay down. Oh. Doesn't fit. Well, we need 8 pink blocks more to make 68. And here's the 8 blocks. Like this. Yes. And then we stick it on and then right. Here's the number block 68. Let's do a magic again. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Number block 68 is finished. Wow, so tall. By using 17 blocks tall. How tall is he? Well, number block 68 is ready. Let's move on to number block 69. Alright, let's continue to build the number block 69. Number block 69 is made of 60 light indigo blocks and 9 gray blocks. Well, 69 also made of 3 23s or 23 threes. Also I made the number block 69 by my handmade by using the 6 shaped eye at the left and 9 shaped eye at the right. Because 69 has 2 digits. 6 is in the tens and 9 is in the ones. Well, 69 is very cool number, but some people think, just according to the Google or infinite comparison, some numbers they think that is the bad number, but I don't know why too. I want to ask more questions, but they said it's the private answer. I don't know what's happened. I don't know what is it. Well, anyways, don't think about it. Think about number blocks. Well, number block 69 is finished. Let's do a magic. 1, 2, 3. And well, ta-da! Number block 69 is finished. You see, the left eye is 6 shaped eye and the right eye is 9 shaped eye. Right? Well, 69, I've already made the number block 69 anyways. Well, let's go to the last one is 70. Let's go. Alright, let's move on to the number block 70. Number block 70 is made of 70 rainbow blocks. The first 10 block is red, light red. The second 10 blocks are light orange, not light red, red, orange. The third yellow block is the third 10 block are yellow. The fourth 10 blocks, which is at the middle, are green. Yeah. And the fifth fifth 10 blocks are blue, sixth 10 blocks are indigos, and the last 10 blocks, which is the 7th 10 blocks, are violet. Here, and then we put the other side for the yellow, orange, and red. It looks tired because it's too many blocks to build, but it looks fun, right? Yeah. Well, anyways, 70 is made of 10 sevens or 7 tens. That's why 70 has the face similar like the number block 7. Well, 70 is the 10th member of the Rainbow's Lucky 7 Club. Well, the number block 70 is almost finished. He can split into 10 sevens and he can make the rainbow. Right. The number block 70 is finished. Let's make a magic. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! This is the number block 70 new character. Well, anyways, let's review all together that we made today. Alright, let's review all together. Let's repeat after me. Number block 66, number block 67, number block 68. Oopsie. Number block. It broke in 3 parts. Anyways, number block 69, and the number block is 70. I am 70, the last number block in this video. Well, anyways, this is the end of this video. If you like it, you can click like, subscribe, and click the button, a bell icon for more videos. Well, anyways, which one do you like the most? 66, 69, 66, 67, 68, 69, or 70? Leave the comments. Anyway, see you in the next video. Bye everyone. Bye.